Welcome to the Chic Show. Today I have some exciting spring crafts that will inspire you and help refresh your home. So let's get started. Project number 1 are a pair of denim birds. I cut up strips of denim from some old blue jeans, and I'm going to be using these 2 styrofoam birds. I believe they're from Dollar Tree. One is larger than the other. I am just going to cut these strips to fit down the back of the bird first.
We're living quick in this world, gonna get it right now.
I used hot glue to attach the strips to the bird.
People talk and tell what you wanna hear now.
Once I had that first strip placed, I did cut the tail to be more pointed, more bird-like.
We better stick together.
I added another long strip along the back of the body.
We're living quick in this world, gonna get it right now. We only need the two of us together. We only need the two of us together.
Next, I used shorter strips of denim to wrap around the body of the bird so that I could cover the front and also to help make the wings.
'Cause we got love. You wanna get to me close? Why don't you do it right now? You know we met for a reason, but you trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can.
I decided the tail needed another feather, so I did add another strip along the tail. And now I will continue to wrap strips of denim around the bird to complete the wings and cover the belly.
We only need the two of us together. We only need the two of us together. 'Cause we got love. 'Cause we got love.
The second bird was much smaller, and I used a darker denim for it.
Together, I need only you in this crazy world.
I did add denim bows to both of them, but I removed it from the larger one. Let me know in the comments below what you think about these unique birds.
I wanna get to you close, gonna get it right now.
Project number 2 is a sign that I saw on Pinterest or at Kirkland's or something. I'm not even sure where I saw it, but I'm using one of these Let It Snow Somewhere Else signs from Hobby Lobby. I got it in my $5 after Christmas clearance box, and I'm just kind of rubbing some wax all over the top of the sign. I'm going to be painting over the top of the sign just with a messy coat of Waverly chalk paint and plaster.
What you wanna hear now.
After the paint dried, I did sand over it just a bit to remove some of the paint from those areas where I had applied the wax.
Better stick together. Let's come what
I printed a duck outline from my computer, and then I used some carbon paper to trace the outline onto my sign.
we only need the two of us together.
I used a dark gray paint that I made just by combining Waverly chalk paint and ink and some white chalk paint to make this dark gray color because I was out of Waverly chalk paint in Elephant, which is a really nice color.
You wanna get to me close? Why don't you do it right now?
Again, once the paint was dry, I rubbed over it with my sander, and there was a little spot that wasn't quite dry, but it just kind of adds to the character of the piece. Next, I traced on the words "The Quack Shack," again using carbon paper.
We only need the two of us together.
A black paint pen will help me color in all of these letters.
We only need the two of us together. We only need the two of us together.
Made sure to let the ink dry this time, and then I'm just going to rub over it again with my little finger sander. I'm not sure where I will put this in my home. I'm not sure even what it means, but I think it would be cute for any spring decor.
We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world. We got love.
Project number 3 is a textured bird. I printed out this drawing of a bird, and I'm going to use carbon paper once again to trace it onto a canvas from Dollar Tree.
I wanna get too close, gonna get it right now.
Instead of using a paint pen, I'm using my glue gun to trace around the bird and all its details.
So what's your feelings? The city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in this world, gonna get it right now. People talk and tell.
Once the glue had set up and was hard, I used some spackling to go around the bird. I didn't actually use the spackling inside the bird, I just wanted on the outside to give some texture.
We better stick together, let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in this world.
I will let this dry and set up overnight before I continue with this project.
We only need the two of us together. We only need the two of us together. 'Cause we got love.
The next day, I decided to get out my gold rub and buff on a sponge brush and just go over the raised parts of the bird. This did not work quite as well as I thought it would, so I did end up using my finger. And that was a little bit easier to control.
You know we met for a reason, but you trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight. You better take what you.
I hope you've enjoyed these creative spring crafts, and I hope they've inspired you to get crafty and refresh your home this season. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and remember to share the chic. Thanks so much for watching. Bye now.